Where a conductor is found to be moving in a given frame which is creating a closed loop in magnetic field region, or it is in open loop. Ultimately, the slider's movement perpendicular to the magnetic field creates an area through which the slider moves, and that area through which it moves, that creates the EMF inductions across the length of the conductor. Now tell me, out of these 2 points P and Q, which one will be the higher potential? EMF तो induced होगा BLV का. So can you tell me which end, either the end P or the end Q will be developing itself as the higher potential end? Which end will be at the higher potential, P or Q? Huh? What? Fleming's mechanism force will be left hand. Objective, what did I say? How to decide about the role of induced EMF. The objective of EMF induction is to oppose the reason because of which that creation, that flux change has been taken place. It will always oppose the reason because of which flux change is observed. So here the flux change is observed due to the motion of the slider. Had it not been slider moving, then obviously no change of flux will be observed in per unit time. So that means by opposing the motion of the slider, the fact of change of flux or the fact of creation of induced EMF can be opposed. So you know that we always write down E is equal to minus d phi by dt. The mod is just the magnitudinal presentation. The significance of E appears with the negative sign. So this negative sign shows that it opposes the reason because of which change of flux takes place. The objective is it would like to experience a magnetic force BIL in the leftward direction, because by applying force the motion of a body having some mass can be opposed, right? So to develop this force, to experience this force in the leftward direction, right, current should be flown through the conductor, from the end P, from the end Q to the end P. So as because the potential difference EMF will be produced across the ends, so this will be the higher potential end and this will be the lower potential end. Because we know that the points across which we write down the potential difference, the induced EMF, okay, the 2 points across which we write down the induced EMF, they are considered to be the terminals of the battery of that much potential difference. So here the end P will be working as if it is the positive terminal end, and Q will be working as a negative potential end.